Hi everybody, today we'll be using the Sabu Disc powered by compressed air to turn this fixed axle to lathe this apple. So we'll just get started with a hand start and we'll get it up to speed. Okay, and look at that. We have lathed into the apple. So there is the Sabu Disc replica model, driven by compressed air. Has performed a rotational task of lathing. The interesting thing with lathing is it's an anti-clockwise task, whereas in my previous video, which was the circular saw cutting of the carrot, is a clockwise task, which supports what I've said, that the Sabu Disc is a forward, reverse, pressurised air driven turbine. Thanks everybody. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Until next time, stay safe. See ya.